In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Wix. For those who are new to this, a favicon is that small icon you see on your browser tab next to the web page title. It's a great way to add a personal touch and make your website easily recognizable to visitors. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to ensure that you've already logged into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. You'll find yourself at the heart of your website's editing power. From here, navigate to the main menu at the left side of the screen and look for the Settings tab. Clicking on Settings will open up a list of various options for your site. But for now, what we're interested in is the Website Settings option. After selecting Website Settings, you'll land on a page full of customization features tailored to your site's needs. As you scroll through the options, keep an eye out for the section labeled Favicon. This is where you can make your site truly stand out with its very own icon. Once you've located the favicon section, you'll notice that it provides an option to upload an image. Now, before you upload, remember that the recommended size for a favicon image is 16 by 16 pixels, as this format displays best across various browsers. If you haven't already created a custom icon, consider using a simple yet meaningful image that represents your brand or website. Now go ahead and click the Upload Image option. This will bring up a dialog box where you can browse through your computer files to locate your desired favicon image. When you find your image, select it to start the upload process. Wix will quickly process your image and you'll be able to preview how it looks in the favicon section. Satisfied with the way your favicon appears? Excellent! It's time to integrate it into your site. You'll notice an Add to Site button within the favicon area after uploading your image. Clicking this button will associate your chosen image with your website as the favicon. Lastly, all that's left to do is hit the Save button. This step is crucial because failing to save might result in losing the changes you've just implemented. Once saved, your new favicon might take a short while to appear, but soon enough, you'll see it proudly displayed on your browser tab. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a personal touch to your Wix website. This small yet significant change can enhance your site's branding and make a lasting impression on your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your website with a favicon. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy customizing!